Hi guys, welcome to another Pico 12 Productions. This is just a quick video because of the hype and all that sort of thing about the whole Steve Jobs announcement about the fixes that he wants to apply to the iPhone 4 for reception issues. 4.0.1 has been released for the iPhone, for all iPhones, including the iPhone 4, to fix reception issues. Not only that, every single person around the world will get a free bumper. Apple's own little case for the iPhone 4. So for every purchase, when the iPhone 4 is available in Australia, New Zealand, and the rest of the world, we will receive free bumpers for every single iPhone for every single customer. And from what I'm told, people that already have iPhone 4s in the UK and the US apparently will get full refunds for their bumpers. So that's obviously good news for those people. One thing's for sure, I think you'll find that this whole reception thing goes over every single product. Not only the iPhone 4, the iPhone in general, and also the iPad and the not the iPod Touch, but the iPod Touch has, I think, had an upgrade as well for their reception issues with Wi-Fi. But the great thing is, there is also an iPad 3.2.1 thing that also fixes reception issues. You can see on the right here. I'll just bring up both of them so you can see what exactly I'm on about. I'll start with the iPad update. Alright, so the update is supposed to take care of things like it improves Wi-Fi connectivity, as far as I know. It fixes the issue of copy and paste, a single page PDF attachment in mail. Addresses an issue, causes video playback to freeze. Improve reliability of video outs using iPad dock connector to VGA adapter. Right, and also added Bing as the option for Safari search field. Right, so that's for the iPad 3G and the iPad Wi-Fi. Obviously the 4, if I can bring that up. Okay, obviously iOS 4.0.1 has the compatibility for the iPhone 3G, 3GS, and iPhone 4. It improves the formula to determine how many bars of signal to display. Right. So from what they say in the address here, in the video that I have linked in the description, and it's pretty much a CNN announcement, so it's pretty much the cut down version of it, but it gives you the gist of it, as far as I know.
We want to make it.
But here's bits and pieces of that address now.
However, we started getting.
But yeah, check that out, guys, and let me know in the comments below. Cheers.